Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. Hi, I'm Mark, and today I will explain much and many. We use much and many to talk about quantity, but they are used in different ways. Let's take a look. Much for uncountable nouns. We use much with uncountable nouns. Things you cannot count. For example, how much water do you drink? Water is uncountable, so we use much. Let's say the sentence 3 times, shall we? How much water do you drink? How much water do you drink? How much water do you drink? Our next example, there isn't much time left. Time is uncountable. Let's practice saying the sentence 3 times. There isn't much time left. There isn't much time left. There isn't much time left. And our third example, do you have much homework? Homework is our uncountable noun. Let's say the sentence 3 times. Do you have much homework? Do you have much homework? Do you have much homework? Okay, good. Now for many. We use many for countable nouns. We use many with countable nouns, things you can count. For example, how many books do you have? Books is our countable noun. Let's say the sentence 3 times. How many books do you have? How many books do you have? How many books do you have? Our second sentence, I don't have many friends. Friends is our countable noun. Let's say the sentence 3 times. I don't have many friends. I don't have many friends. I don't have many friends. And our third example, are there many cars on the road? Cars is our countable noun. And of course, with our countable nouns, they're plural, right? So cars, friends, books. Whereas uncountable, they are singular form. Water, no S. Time, no S. And let's see, homework, no S. Okay, let's get back to our last sentence here. Are there many cars on the road? Are there many cars on the road? Are there many cars on the road? Okay, good. So we have much for uncountable and many for countable nouns. We have 3 examples and 3 examples. Now, for common mistakes, yeah, don't do these mistakes. Don't do this. So remember, use much with uncountable nouns like water, there's no S there. Time, there's no S there. And money, there's no S there. So those are uncountable. We use those in singular form. Water, time, money, for example. Use many with countable nouns like books, clothes, and cars. All right, so those have S's. They're in the plural form, so we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is a wrong sentence. How many money do you have? How many money do you have? No, 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 we don't say that. We say the correct way, how much money do you have? How much money do you have? Now, that sounds correct, right? How much money do you have? That sounds correct, right? Whereas, how many money do you have? How many money do you have? No, that sounds strange. That sounds incorrect. That sounds wrong. And if you say that, if you said that sounds wrong, you are correct, right? It should be how much money do you have? Okay, great job, everyone. Thank you. This was Much and Many Explained. I will be back for another video like this, okay? I hope you will come back and join me. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.